Welcome to XENEA Wallet, ladies and gentlemen. And in this video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to participate in XENEA Wallet testnet. So testnet is actually a process of testing the system before the proper launch, right? So now the tokens you're getting here are free tokens and they have no value whatsoever. They're just used to test the system. So wherever there are problems where the system is not functioning properly, they will fix it now so that by the time it launches, it must have been tested and proven to work, right? So to participate in the testnet, they have launched the faucet, right? So you can actually visit their faucet website or you can get free tokens from Discord. So how do you go about it? So this is my wallet, this is my receiving wallet here. Let me first turn this on. There's nothing here as you can see. So let's copy this. It's copied. Now let's go over to Discord. So when you're on Discord, you will go to XENEA. If you have already followed them on Discord, you should be on the list of these channels here on your Discord homepage, right? So when you click on XENEA here, then if you open this, you have these options. So you go through them, these hashes. This here, Ubuntu testnet faucet. So you tap on it, and when it opens, of course, you must have verified yourself on the server, right? So you have the access to text. So there's a command that you need to, provide here. 10 TXENE are heading to your wallet, right? So back to your XENEA wallet, and the asset is now here, right? So there's something you need to do. You click on the drop down arrow next to the Ethereum button there. Then you select XENEA Ubuntu testnet. So that is now your selected network and it's now showing that you have received 10 TXENE, right? So that's just one of the ways of getting the token. The first one is using the live faucet. This is it. Here you can actually just provide your wallet address, solve the captcha and click on request 10 TXENE here. And it says you can only request once in 12 hours, right? These faucets here and the one on Discord are working in sync, right? Because I just requested from Discord, yet they told me that I need to wait for 12 hours, right? So I'll try again in 11 hours and 54 minutes. So that's how to get your XENEA testnet tokens. So after getting them, then what's next, right? You can get another XENEA user's wallet and transfer XENEA, send some amount of XENEA to them, send to as many people as you can. That's the essence of the testnet, right? They want you to do a lot of transactions so they can see if the transactions are fast enough, if they are too slow, and among other things that can be figured out what's the percentage success and all of that. So stuff like this are taken into account in testnet events, how many number of transactions someone has done. Sometimes I'm not saying they will matter here as well, but sometimes they play a role towards how many what amount of tokens someone gets at the end of the day, right? I don't know if this would be like a necessary prerequisite for getting the tokens, but let's just try it. So if you're not sure where to get other XENEA users' wallet addresses, you might as well use this group right here, XENEA Wallet Today Daily Quiz. So these are wallet addresses. So for instance, you grab one, bring it over here, you click on send, you select XENEA, and you paste the wallet address you've copied here. So you enter an amount. Let's try 0.1. Click on next. Then you slide to confirm. Then you enter your PIN code. Now it's processing. You can track your transaction there by clicking on these details. The next, the drop down arrow. So it says confirming, right? Transaction hash generated. Going from this to this. Network is XENEA, asset is XENEA, and the transaction fees is also stated here. So the total amount is this. You can also view on their blockchain explorer, right? So I'll leave my wallet on the Telegram page, so you can copy and send TXENE to me, and I will send them to you as well. This is my new balance, as you can rightly see, right? So you have options to select how fast you want the transaction to go and pay a higher fee, right? So for instance, if you want it slow, see the gas fee here is the least you can get. If you want it average, the gas fee is a little more than slow. Just click on fast. So they are not the first to use this feature. I think Bitcoin does this for some wallets. Some wallets, you can pay higher gas fees to actually have your transactions done faster. So thanks, and if you're not already